Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I have a brand new video for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Apple AirPods Pro today. Let's start with the specifications. What is the AirPods new functions are, and what's in the box. Right off the bat, let's start with the battery life. The battery life actually improved from the previous versions. So you can listen to with a single charge up to 5 hours with active noise cancellation and transparency off, up to 4.5 hours of listening to the music, up to 3 hours of talk time when a single charge. And also it comes with a charging case, so it's wireless charge. 5 minutes in the case provides around 1 hour of listening time or around 1 hour of talk time. So that's pretty good, in my opinion. The connectivity Bluetooth is 5.0, and let's start with what's in the box. So in the box, you're gonna get obviously the AirPods Pro wireless charging case, silicone ear tips. There are three sizes, so you can choose whatever fits you. Lightning to USB-C cable, and this is how the box look like. Bring a little closer. Apple AirPods Pro wireless with the wireless. All right, let's start with the unboxing. This is the packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. Look, they have provided us with a little tab so we can just pull it to open the box. So let's try that. Here we go. Throw them to the side. And this is the box. Let's open it up. What's inside is a little tab here. These are documentations. And obviously, we know all about this. If you have the previous version of the AirPods, they all come with a similar packaging. These are the AirPod case itself. And let's see what's in this box first. Let's see what's in the box here. Let me focus on that. Boom. Okay, these are the ear tips. These are the ear tips that we get with it. Here we are. 3 different sizes. These are 2 over here and the ones that are already pre-installed on the AirPods. Put that away, and also the USB-C, the lightning cable. So that's it with the box. Put this on the side, and there we go. These are the AirPods. Let's open them up. Satisfying feeling when you open this. There we go. I mean, they switched the the dimension and the size of the case for the AirPods Pro. Instead of being, this size is on the other side now. So when we open it up, these are the pre-installed, see, ear tips. They're already pre-installed on it. There. Okay. Let me know what you think about these, guys. This is it right here, the new AirPods Pro. I'm gonna be testing this out through the week, and I'm probably gonna see if they fall off or how the ear tips, the ear tips gonna hold in the ear. And they say that this is sweat proof, not waterproof, not water resistant. It's sweat resistant. So basically, you can get away with a little bit of sweat here and there, maybe a little light drizzling rain, but not totally waterproof, 100% waterproof. So let me end the video over here, and let me know if you like the unboxing, and if you enjoy it. I'll do another video next week about another product. In between that time, if you enjoyed the video, check out my channel and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. like the video and give me a thumbs up. Peace.